Hello everyone, this is Akanksha from English Logger. Today we are going to learn about verbs and its types. What are verbs? How many types of verbs do we have? How to recognize it? How to use it? Those who are new viewers, don't forget to press the bell icon for the further notification of the coming videos. And those who have already done that, thank you. And you can share, you can subscribe, you can like, and you can comment as well in the comment section. So here we'll start with the next topic, that is verbs. Definition of verbs: that verbs are words that tell us about the action done or the state of being or position. It means that verbs are basically tell something about the action done by the subject, or if anything has happened, or what the subject has or have, that is a verb. For example, he told me an interesting story. He is a doctor. The very first we have doing verb. What is a doing verb? Says that doing verb is a action verb, is an action verb. For example, we have play, run, jump, dance, etc. Next we have being verb. Being verb means be verb, or you can say helping verb also. You can say existence verb as well. Is, am, are, was, were, be, etc. These are being verbs. Next we have having verb. Having verb means possession verb, which shows possession. Possession means has, have, had. Having, like I have this, she has that, we had that. This is a past form of has and have. And having is also a having verb. So again we can devise doing verbs. We can say action verbs: play, run, jump, dance, etc. Being verb, is, am, are, helping verb, having verb, has, have, had, which shows possession. Now here are few examples to clarify this doing verb. What are doing verbs? First of all, definition: action verbs are also called doing verbs, which expresses an action, whether it be physical or mental action. An action verbs explains what the subject of the sentence is doing or has done. Again, as I told you before, that if the subject is doing something or the subject has done something, so that is a action verbs, which shows some action is going on, or someone has done something. So basically that is a doing verb or the action verb. For example, Ram is throwing the football. So what action is going on in the sentence? Throwing. What Ram is throwing? The football. So here Ram is subject, is throwing is a verb, and the football we have an object. She accepted the job offer. What has she done? She accepted the job offer. So accepted, action. The dog ran across the yard. The dog ran. Ran is an action verb. She left in a hurry. She left. Again, left. Some action has gone, or some action was there. So that is an action verb, or you can say doing verb. We will swim in the pool. So we will swim. Swim, action again. That is an action verb. So again we can revise doing verb. Doing verb is an action verb if any action done by or has done by the subject, which shows any action by the subject, is called an action verb. State verbs like helping verbs. Auxiliary verbs are helping verbs. Like auxiliary or helping one the same thing. that are used to assist the main verb in a sentence, basically helping, right? So the main verb, it is helping the main verb, you can say. They are also used to frame questions on negative statements or sentences and to show the tense in a sentence. For examples, they are my friends. So they are my friends are helping verb. If I say they my friends, it is not making any sense, right? So are is helping here. He was the first winner was. I am sorry for what I have done. I am. Here am. Then he is a great player is. Now next we have having verbs. What are having verbs? Which shows position. As a main verb to have implies the meaning of position, which shows position, that is a having verb. Examples: I have a job. Correct, have is a position and shows having verb. I don't have any time. It shows negative position. I have a car. That is again have shows position. He has a pet. Yogi has an answer to this. So has, have, these verb shows possession and these are having verbs. So I just hope that you people have understood the three verbs. The very first is doing verb, next is being verb, or you can say state verb, or the next we have having verbs which shows possession. So these three verbs I just hope that you can identify also. So in this tutorial we have done about three verbs: action verbs, existence verb or the state verb or auxiliary verb, and having verbs. Thank you for watching my video. Share, like and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.